Hello, I'm Gabriel Panzo, and this is the multiplexer circuit. So here, this is the input, these two, and this will be the output. For the OR and XOR gates are can be simulated here. You can choose 00 for OR, 01 for AND, and 10 for XOR. For the addition, subtraction, and division, um, we have this multiplexer block. You can choose 00 for addition, 01 subtraction, and 10 for division. Here is the final multiplexer where you can choose 00 for OR and XOR, and 11 for addition, subtraction, and division. Okay, so this is the input. So if you can see, if we choose the OR gate, which is set here. Okay, so the result will be 1100. And if we choose an AND gate, you can see it is 0000. Okay, there you go. And if you want an XOR, there. So for addition, you can choose here 01 for subtraction. You can choose also here, right here, to activate this multiplexer. So that is all. Thank you.